How's it going, everyone? Hope everyone is staying healthy during these awkward times. So I was organizing my gear and decided to make a video going over some tire repair kits. I've owned this ARB kit for about 2 years now, never had to use it once. And the reason I bought this specific kit was because I didn't want to take a chance buying a cheap $10 slime kit or something like that and have it fail me later on the trail. It ran me about $45 when I got it, and as you can see here, it's a pretty nice kit. Earlier this year, POWERTANK released their own tire repair kit, and if you know who they are, you know they've been in the game for a long time. The main reason I picked this kit up is because it's a lot smaller in size, and I'm able to fit more things in back of the Tundra using my ESP storage under the seat. It freed up a little bit more space, and honestly, any little space counts when you're trying to fit stuff back there. The POWERTANK kit gives you a few extras that the ARB kit does not. You get a dual purpose tool which works as a core removal tool or an air down tool. You also get a rescue valve which can help you out a lot if you end up damaging your valve stem on the trail. No need to remove your tire from the wheel. You can easily insert the rescue valve, tighten it up, and you're good to air back up. And lastly, you get red plugs instead of black plugs. It's been said that red plugs are a little bit more reliable than black plugs, so it's nice that POWERTANK took the extra step to make sure you're getting the best tools possible for the job. The only thing I wish POWERTANK had done was make the bag orange or a brighter color. The bag opens up and gives you a nice working area to keep stuff off the ground and getting lost in the dirt. I just wish it was brighter in case I have to do this at night. Everything else in the POWERTANK kit is similar to the ARB kit, although I do have to say the POWERTANK tools are a bit nicer and feel better in the hand compared to the ARB kit. Also, you might not see this clear box with valve cores and whatnot, but if you really need these extra tools, you can pull these off with the valve stem you get in the POWERTANK kit, so you're really not missing these pieces. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not knocking the ARB kit at all. In fact, it will be going in my wife's Subaru. I just prefer the POWERTANK kit because of its size and the extra tools that you don't get in the ARB kit. Now, I do want to add, you can get a cheap $25 kit like this one, but I warn you, having a kit like this can be a bit risky, especially if you're deep into a trail. When I was younger, my dad used to buy kits like these, inexpensive and affordable, and we had plugs either leak or completely shoot out over time, so be careful what you buy. This kit would be perfect for someone that uses their vehicle in an urban area where you'll see plenty of tire shops around the corner. Even though this kit comes with plenty of plugs, I would hate to stop over and over again fixing the leak. I'll be leaving all the links down below for all this stuff so you guys can check it out for yourself, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching.